Hi there. Today I will be explaining about Cursor.ai for explaining it better. I use GPT and GPT give me a breakdown about this website. So let me move to the ChatGPT and here is the breakdown. It's an AI power code editor developed by AnySphere, designed to enhance the developer productivity by integrating advanced artificial intelligence feature directly into the coding environment. It means it will use advanced feature of intelligence to directly in your code and will enhance your code writing. Now, below are some key feature of Cursor.ai. Natural language code generation. Developers can write code using simple prompt. For example, create a function to calculate Fibonacci sequence up to n times. Next thing is codebase understanding, inline code editing, AI agents, more privacy and security. Now, after reading it, you will know about the cursor. Now, how can you get access? Simply in the Google search bar, write for a Cursor AI, and then you will see the main website that Cursor has. In order to get access, click on it. Now, it's saying download for Mac. If you want to download for Windows, here you can see the icon of Windows. Click on it and it will start downloading. But you can use it online. If you have an account, then click on icon sign in. And it will ask to sign in with your email address that you register. If you don't have an account, then click on the option to sign up and create an account and use it. If you have a knowledge about the cursor, then create an account and use it for your purposes. And that's it.